Framer website. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and type in 𝗕𝗲𝗂𝗀𝗀𝗀. On the home page, click the login button at the top right of your screen. Enter your email address and then click the continue button to sign in. Once you're in the dashboard, click New Project to open a new workspace. Inside the workspace, go to the left side of your screen and click the plus icon to add a component. Choose Wireframer to start creating your website. You'll see a prompt input area. Click on it and type something like, "I want to make a minimalist finance website." Press enter and wait for the AI to generate your website. After it's generated, you can customize your layout by clicking on the elements displayed in the wireframe. For example, if you want to update the website headline, simply click on it and change the text to Alexander Lawrence. You can make further edits to fonts, colors, or layout directly on the canvas. Once you're satisfied, go to the top right corner and click the play button to preview your design.